What's up, guys? Today will be a vlog, however you say it, but you guys saw that in the title. So the goal today is, right now I'm going to Costco to get some kitty litter. Super exciting, right? My brother is coming over and we're gonna install the battery, the Jeep battery. After Costco, I am going to my dad's work and picking up the wheels. If you guys remember, I did a car update video probably 2 weeks ago now, where I bought 3 cars from Seattle, 2 G35s and a Volkswagen Touareg. So the other G35 has a bent wheel that cannot be repaired. So I bought a new set of 4 wheels and they came in yesterday. So we're gonna be going to a tire shop to get those replaced and installed on the car. And then we're gonna go to my in-laws' house and we're gonna install or finish installing the boat speakers and hopefully test them out. So today will be hopefully an exciting video and something you guys will enjoy. I want to show you guys. This is how he brought him here. Gotta give him props. Oh no, I guess that's the 1 in the trunk and 3 inside here. I'm gonna get him moved. There they are. Now I'm going home. Here's what's going on. Putting in a battery in this Jeep, moving the Infinity that's in the garage, and we are going to a tire shop. This is the old rim or wheel. See that bend? The bumper will need to get replaced and it's a little dirty, but for the most part, here is the 3rd Seattle purchase. And I'll have to swap plates. So we're gonna get a new battery in this thing, get it out of the way and start moving cars around. New battery is in. My brother's struggling with putting a plate on the Infinity. New battery is in, so we're gonna get this thing started, move it out of the way, and continue moving cars. She started like a champ. He's gonna move that somewhere. Infinity keys, other keys, baby girl, Infinity, messy garage, cold start. These are the old wheels. They look really nice, I like them, but I couldn't find the exact wheels and I didn't want to get something that kind of looks like it. There's the exhaust note for you guys. This side I'll do a quick walk around. Got everything moved. Taking this truck and taking this thing. And I didn't call the shop, so hopefully they'll be able to take us in right away and get it done. I don't know, whatever my brother wants to drive is what he'll drive. I don't really have a preference. So I'm taking the Infinity. And I have not driven it yet at all since I've gotten it. I mean, I've kind of like parked it around inside the garage, outside the garage, that kind of thing, but I haven't taken it out on the road. So this will be a first for me, and I'm hoping it doesn't have any tranny issues or overheating issues for that matter, because already replaced the fender, got these wheels, so kind of invested in it. We're gonna take it nice and easy. Made it. Charging me 80 bucks to replace the wheels and tires. All right, you guys ready? It's a little hard with gloves on. There we go. Unfortunately, they did not have the lug nut key to take those lug nuts off, which is a bummer. And I have no idea what size they are or what's needed, and I can't pull one of them off to even go to the store and possibly kind of measure up. So we're gonna have to go home, maybe do some research and find out what's up. So we're gonna go home, eat, and then I think we're gonna go work on the boat. I had stuffed peppers with rice. Wife made a good job, did a good job. So this is what I need to take the lug nuts off. And I only now realize that I have this. And this guy doesn't want to go back to the shop because he says, boat is a priority, we gotta get the speakers done. So that's where we're going. We're gonna go get the speakers done. As he's drinking my coffee. My nice organic coffee beans. While, there's the green light. So we're going to my in-laws right now to work on the boat. Got all of our stuff, hopefully we didn't forget anything. And hopefully we could hook up these darn speakers and test them out. This is that wonderful country life. We are here. Here's the boat. And of course, you know, a little wet and whatnot. Did it get water inside? Inside now. Inside now. Sweet. Quack, quack.
That's nothing, just this little...
Yeah. It's a big boat though. Think Mustang would pull it? Probably not, with the rear wheel drive.
Oh, let's see, look.
What am I looking at?
There's water in here last time. Since we lifted the boat up, all the water's gone.
Came out. Yeah. I figured as much. Okay, so we are gonna start working on speakers. I'm actually gonna open the trunk. There's the whole setup. This is what we are putting in. They are kicker, I think 150 RMS a piece, and there's 4 of them. This is essentially what they look like. They're supposed to have lights, but you gotta, one, hook them up. It's these wires right here. And you have to ground, I think, these 3 and then like connect this one to a power, 12 volt, something like that. We're gonna try to figure out what's going on and how to get it set up. Quick update. Got those hooked up. The other ones are going on that side. We've never installed speakers, so this is the first time, and we have like basic common knowledge. But if this doesn't work, then we screwed up somewhere, and we're gonna have fun figuring it out. We are making progress. Really slow progress. That's going to the battery. Basically gonna test these speakers, make sure they work, and then we're gonna finish up this wiring and then work on the other side. Amp is right there, so it's kind of messy, but we're moving along. Today was a disappointing day because not only did I not get the wheels installed on the Infinity, we couldn't get the speakers to work on the boat, and we got power to the amp. Seems like everything is working as it should. Nothing is shorting. The original boat speakers are still working, and I bring that up because we tapped into that wiring to connect the amp. There's no sound from the tower speakers, so we're gonna give it another. Of course the battery would die, and then I went and showed a car. It looks like the buyers are coming back tomorrow to pick it up, one of the G35s, the 2007 one that I have. But I think what I was saying was we either missed something like so obvious that we couldn't get the speakers to work, and I don't know if we're gonna try to do it ourselves or just pay someone to install them, because we spent honestly like 3 hours wiring everything and hooking everything up, and without any success. And it's still pretty cold outside, so that was cold. It was probably cold, but I guess we'll see. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video log. Although it was super unproductive, I definitely stayed busy. Thank you for your support. Stick around. We'll be making a lot more videos. Have a good one.